Join your hands and start chanting of Omkar. Om. 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 Sairam children, and at present 25 children are present in the class. Yes. So
Yes, sir.
shall we start? Or we'll give one more minute
Yes.
if anybody. Acha, one more thing. If by mistake you left the meeting in between, you inform me. I will share the link again. Okay? Don't worry about it. You have to write your email ID, your name, and you will get your score. As you submit, you will receive your marks. Email ID and name. Write your correct name. Everybody knows his or her name.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I am reading the names: Catherine, Arus, Abhishek Thakur.
Sir, did you send the link?
Pardon?
Did you send the link?
No.
Okay.
I am. After this, you can show your presentation, but not right now. Okay. So, okay. 3 minutes over. So, I am sharing the link. And please don't write anything in the chat box, otherwise, children may confuse. I shared. Any problem in opening it? Vyom is working?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Any problem to any student? लोकेश दो दो मोबाइल उससे क्यों ज्वाइन किए हो आप? लोकेश सोनी, लोकेश
Yes.
आप
Yes, sir.
दो दो से क्यों ज्वाइन किए हो? एक से बाहर
Sorry,
आइए,
sir.
बाहर आइए। मस्त, मुझे मालूम है क्या चक्कर है तुम्हारा। निकलिए एक से बाहर, नहीं तो मैं बाहर कर दूंगा दोनों से।
Yes, sir.
इतनी चालाकी बहुत भर गई है ना। Yes, 3 students already submitted. Ten children already submitted. Fifteen children already submitted. 21 submitted. Twenty-four children submitted. Who is not submitted till now? Nine, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We are 25. 25 children are present. यस पंक्ति आपका मिल गया है, किसने सबमिट नहीं किया उससे पूछ रहा हूं। मैं नाम पढ़ रहा हूं, जिसका नाम नहीं है लास्ट में बताइएगा। प्रशांत, लक्ष्य, व्योम, अयन, विपुल, आदित्य, अमय, सार्थक, साराक्षी, आरुष, अनुमेगा, राम, योगिता, सौम्या, लोकेश, कैथरीन, शशांक, अर्पिता, मृणालिनी, संदेश, पंक्ति, अभिषेक धाकड़, सानिका, अग्रिमा। इसका नहीं आया? संदेश अब आए हो क्या मीटिंग में? प्रशांत ने भी 2 डिवाइस से ज्वाइन किया है।
नो सर, वो मैं लेफ्ट हो गया था, वो किसी का कॉल आ गया था इसलिए।
हाँ प्रशांत केवट, आप भी 2 डिवाइस से अभी भी दिख रहा हो बेटा? प्रशांत,
यस सर।
2 डिवाइस से दिख रहे थे, अभी भी दिख रहे हो? सार्थक आपका नाम बोला ना, सुना ही नहीं आता है क्या आपको? है। और आपका दोबारा टेस्ट लूंगा मैं प्रशांत। आगे आपके बात समझ में? जो एक सबमिट नहीं किया है वो नाम नहीं बता रहा अपना, प्रशांत लक्ष्मी। जैसे टाइम होगा बोलो प्रशांत। चीटिंग करी थी बेटा? क्यों प्रशांत? फिर दोनों डिवाइस से नहीं की थी? अच्छा, नेक्स्ट क्लास में आना, आपका फिर से टेस्ट लूंगा मैं, ओरल टेस्ट लूंगा। बेटा नंबर देख के मुझे समझ में आएगा किसने चीटिंग की है। लोकेश ने कोशिश की थी शुरू में। यस लोकेश? कैथरीन सबमिटेड?
यस सर।
योगिता सबमिटेड? आरुष?
Yes, sir, I have submitted.
अभिषेक धाकड़?
Yes, sir, submitted.
अभिषेक यादव? ये इसी ने नहीं किया है लगता है, अभिषेक यादव ने। हाँ, अभिषेक यादव ने नहीं किया है। अभिषेक बेटा, आर यू गेटिंग माई वॉइस? At what time we started? 12:20. 4 minutes left. After 4 minutes, I will stop it. अभिषेक यादव? Okay, last 1 minute.
सर
यस
सर मुझे अभी पीपी
हाँ हाँ, अभी रुक तो जा बेटा। Okay, time over.
सर
You-
हमारी
Yes, okay.
ये दिखाने बची है।
एक मिनट बेटा, हाँ रुक जाइए। हाईएस्ट स्कोर जानना चाह रहे हैं आप लोग? यस सर, बता रहा हूं मैं। 16, 13, 16, 15, 17, 16, 18. 18 is the highest score. Want to know who is that student who scored 18 out of 20?
यस सर।
Yes, that is Soumya Didi, Soumya Mishra. Very good. Congratulations, Soumya and all. Okay, now Prashant Kevat, you show your PPT.
यस सर। सर मुझे भी दिखानी है।
हाँ बेटा, अभी जितना हो जाएगा, सारे नहीं हो सकते हैं आज। प्रशांत स्टार्ट करो बेटा।
सर मुझे अभी थोड़ा टाइम लगा।
मृणाली, you can start.
ओके सर। सर इज माय स्क्रीन विजिबल?
Yes बेटा, visible.
Science PPT made by Manali Vastri, topic motion. In physics, motion is a change in position of an object over time. We are concerned with three types of motion: translatory or linear motion, rotatory motion, and vibratory or oscillatory motion. Translatory or linear motion. The linear or translatory motion is that motion in which body moves in a straight line or any covered path. You can see a picture. The motion in which all points of a moving body move uniformly in the same line or direction is called translatory motion. You can see a pendulum or examples. A man running on the straight road. A man hitting the ball is also the example of linear motion. Second, rotatory motion. Rotatory motion, also referred to as rotational motion or circular motion, in physical motion that happens when an object rotates or spins on an axis. Such type of motion can be analyzed as similar as linear motion. Examples: rotatory motion of planets on its axis, motion of wheel of axis of vehicles, motion of blades of fan rotating around its axis. Third, vibratory or oscillatory motion. Any particle that undergoes and through motion in small intervals of time or vibration is said to be in vibratory motion or a type of motion in which a particle moves to and fro about a fixed point. Examples: a tuning fork set to vibrate is a classical example for this. Vibration of phone, swing of pendulum. Thank you.
Okay, good. Mrinalini,
Yes, sir.
give me one answer. What is the difference between rest and motion?
What, sir?
Difference between rest and motion.
In rest, in rest, sir, can I explain in Hindi?
Yes.
Yes, sir. In rest जैसे हम सर जैसे कि आप मतलब ये ट्रेन जैसे हम लोग सब लोग बैठे हैं कहीं पे तो मतलब वहां पे हम लोग रेस्ट मोशन में बैठे हैं और रेस्ट में बैठे हैं और जैसे
अच्छा, what is time period? Time period.
sir, I don't know.
Chalo. Okay, thank you. Yes, next.
Sir, me?
Yes, Arpita, you can start. Is there any more period today in your class?
Sir, Sanskrit one.
Yes?
Yes, sir, Sanskrit.
Sir,
Sir, Sanskrit.
Okay, so this is the last presentation.
sir, is my screen visible?
Yes, beta, it is visible.
What is excretory system and excretion, and how the excretory system works? Excretion, the removal of waste materials produced in the cells of the living organisms, is called excretion. Forms of removal of waste came out from our body are sweat, urea, and carbon dioxide. How this waste is produced in our body. Carbon dioxide is removed from our body by the lungs during exhalation. Sweat is the liquid waste of the body produced by sweat gland present in our skin. Sweating helps us to remove excess water, some salts, and a little of urea as liquid waste from the body. Sweating helps to keep our body cool during hot summer days. Urea is a major waste product produced in our body. The urea and other unwanted salt dissolve in water in the body to form a yellowish liquid waste called urine. The excretory system collects the liquid waste of the body and helps get rid of them. Urine is yellowish liquid which consists of 2.5% of urea, 2.5% of other waste, salt, and 95% of water. An adult human being normally passes out 1 to 1.8 liters of urine per day. Excretory system. The excretory system of human beings consists of the following organs: 2 kidneys, 2 ureters, a bladder, a ureter. Work of the organs. Kidneys. There are 2 organs called kidneys present in our body. These kidneys contain blood capillaries that filter out the unwanted substance from the blood in the form of urine. Urinary bladder. The urine produced by the kidneys is stored in a bladder called urinary bladder. Ureters. There are 2 tube-like structures which connect the kidney and the urinary bladder. together. They allow passage of urine from the kidney to the bladder. Ureter, there is a muscular tube through which the urine moves out of the body. Let's know how they work. The kidneys are in-shaped towards the back of our body, just above the waist. Every person has two kidneys. The decomposition of unused food proteins in liver produce urea as waste. This urea goes into the blood in our body is constantly passing through our kidneys. The function of kidney is to filter the blood to remove urea. Its kidney contains thousands of tiny filters called nephrons. When the containing urea and other waste salt passes through the nephrons in the kidney, the nephrons filter the blood and remove urea and other unwanted salt from it. The urine formed in kidneys goes into the bladder through the tubes called ureters. Urine is stored in urinary bladder. The urine collected in bladder is passed out from the body at regular intervals through the opening to the end of a tube called urethra. You can see the picture of nephron in this diagram. Where is the nephron is marked in the kidney. Thank you.
Okay. Give me one answer.
Yes, sir.
What is dialysis?
What, sir?
What is dialysis?
Dialysis. Sir, when the kidney stops working and stops filtering the blood, and the artificial kidney is fitted by the doctor to do this process.
Okay, very good. What is the main composition of urine?
Main composition of urine.
What is mainly present in urine? You can ask.
Sir, water.
Okay, thank you very much. And next class will be the last chance for the presentation, those who are left. So be ready. Okay, now Santipat. Oh, Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Sai Ram.
Sai Ram, sir.
Sai Ram.
Sai Ram.
Sir.